take your yoga mat, you bring it against the wall. And then this is for the piriformis stretch. The piriformis is often associated with sciatica, since the sciatica nerve has to go underneath the piriformis. And when it's tight, it pinches. That could be the source of much sciatica pain for many people. This is the best piriformis stretch, I believe. So I'm sitting my shoulder against the wall. Mat is right behind me. Lie back down and throw my feet up the wall. Bingo. Close to the wall is good. The closer to the wall, the harder it will be. So 3 inches away, that's fine. 5 inches, fine, right? So now I'm going to we're going to do the left side, the left piriformis first. We're going to enriching up, palms facing one another. Exhale, push down with the elbows. Lift the pelvis up as high as you can. Beautiful. Alrighty. And so now, with the pelvis nice and high, we're going to bring the right foot to the center, or more or less. Take the left foot and bring the left foot over on top. And then lower the pelvis down. Oh, you could push through the heel of both of the left foot. Oh yeah. Ooh, right there. And then you feel this all across this back side here. Ooh, yeah. And see, typically in the drawings you see, people are holding onto the leg. You know, they're trying to break. But that's a lot of effort to hold on. This way you can relax. Oh yeah. And see, I push to the heel. Ooh, yeah. I get up in there. I don't feel like I'm getting enough stretch. Okay, let's try it again. I suggest you crawl your ass a little closer, buttocks to the wall. There, I'm touching. Now I'm bring my feet down lower, lift the hips up. I'm gonna do the right side this time. I'm gonna take the right leg over, cross it over, push to the heel of the foot. This will help protect the knee and focus on the right buttock, and then lower down. Oh yeah, push to the heel. Oh, wow. See, now that's. And this is I'm very stretchy, so my legs ain't very tight. You'll probably be more like this, which will be just fine. And anyway, so much of the sciatica coming from the piriformis, out the tensor fascia, down through the outside of the this, you feel that in here. Watch, as I point the toe and then push to the heel. Ooh, yeah, I can hold it. Wow. Oh, that's so good. Wow, I'll make the circle. Wow. So these are the piriformis stretch. Lift the hips up, cross the leg over, slowly lower the body down. Push to the heel, maybe drop the chin down right there. Wow. See, that's good. I'm pushing the knee away and pushing my toes back. Push to the heel. You want to rearrange your flesh? You want to rearrange your muscles? They've done studies that indicate that if you want the tendons to actually let go, if you want that muscle to let go, you got to hold the stretch for like 90 seconds. So like, when you're doing something like this, it's okay to stay here for a minute. And now I've been pulling my toes back, but I feel pretty good there. Oh yeah. Wow. You can see how the breath, as I inhale, it fills the belly pushes against the thigh pushes against the piriformis and stretches it out, freeing up the sciatic nerve to flow down the leg. And then you can finish this off. If you want to do the left side to finish it off, all you have to do is just walk the knees down to the right. You can put the left hand. These stretches really good too. You can stretch out this leg. Oh yeah, well I'm touching the wall over there, the block. See, it's all good. See, I'm making use of the prop. That's nice. Set up nice. You can try the other side. Again, typically when we do the twist, the legs drift away from us. So by just walking the knees over, try to look straight up. Walk the knees over. Oh yeah, hand to the ribs, good. Exhale. 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 Oh. Yeah. Take a minute. Oh yeah, 90 seconds, it ain't gonna totally release. In the beginning I like to open and close them, and that juices up the joint. Juices, sets the blood in motion. And then once you got it all juiced up and flowing, let it go. Oh, see, now I stretch out the arm. Oh, I push down. got the idea.